Welcome to NextGen Mansions, where we take you beyond the boundaries of architecture and deep into the heart of tomorrow's most extraordinary homes. Today, we're exploring a creation unlike any other, a futuristic residence so breathtaking it seems to hover between the worlds of art, technology, and nature. This is the Mirage Solstice Pavilion, a vision of luxury carved into the warm embrace of a desert landscape, yet designed with such modern precision, it feels like something from another dimension. And as the bright afternoon sun floods the horizon, something magical happens. This house begins to glow. There are no shadows here, no harsh contrasts, just smooth, flawless illumination that lets every surface tell its story. NNTHE entire home stands as a fusion of two design languages, one grounded in sharp, deliberate geometry and the other in soft, fluid motion, like stone meeting wind. The exterior is crafted with polished sandstone, its surface reflecting a matte golden hue that complements the desert around it, while black titanium elements cut through the structure like bold brushstrokes. It's not just beautiful, it's balanced. The entire form is built around interlocking prisms and curved canopies, hovering above terraced levels that seem to blend seamlessly with the terrain. Walkways float between spaces, and every angle is designed to frame the landscape like a living piece of art. And as you approach, you're greeted by a monumental pivot door crafted from smooth desert stone inlaid with metallic veins that shimmer like gold under the 3 p.m. Sunday. The pathway leading up to this entrance isn't just functional, it's ceremonial. Curved gently around tranquil reflecting pools and minimalist stone formations, it invites you into a space that feels sacred. And surrounding you isn't your typical landscaping. It's a masterfully sculpted xeriscape garden with silver-leafed succulents, abstract agave sculptures, and blooming desert roses with hints of coral and burnt orange. Low-profile lighting hidden in the stone guides your every step, but casts no shadow. Just a clean, inviting glow. And step inside the open terraces, and you're enveloped in silence, serene, sophisticated, and airy. Outdoor lounge areas are carved directly from the stone, layered with soft cushions and low, minimalistic tables crafted from mirrored metal and sanded glass. Fire features emerge from the earth like glowing rings, circles of heat that come alive at the edge of dusk. And then there's the pool, an architectural marvel in itself. Shaped like a crystal blade, the infinity edge water stretches out toward the desert like it's reaching for the horizon. Underneath, lights shimmer through the surface, creating ripples of liquid sunlight even during the brightest hour. NNBUT, beneath all the natural elegance, lies something far more advanced. This house isn't just beautiful, it's intelligent. Its glass panels adapt in real time, adjusting their opacity and reflectiveness based on sun intensity. Energy flows through the walls via integrated solar nanofilms, and the interior climate adjusts itself using AI-controlled geothermal systems. Everything is automated, silent, hidden. Nothing disturbs the architectural rhythm. Even the water features and light systems sync seamlessly with the shifting environment. And while it may appear open, this mansion is as private as they come. The layout uses angular shielding and natural formations to preserve seclusion, even while inviting in endless views. No drones, no visible security cameras. Everything is concealed within the structure, maintaining the purity of its form. Here, technology doesn't shout, it whispers. Inside, the home transforms yet again from sunlit geometry into flowing serenity. The interiors are layered with soft curves, arched ceilings, and sculpted walls that mimic wind-carved rock. Materials shift from polished stone to soft desert leather, translucent mineral panels, and brushed bronze fixtures. There are no sharp corners, just seamless transitions from space to space, as though the house itself were breathing. Every wall has purpose. Some glow from within, others shift in color depending on the time of day. The main living area curves around a low-profile conversation pit, centered around an indoor fire ribbon suspended above a sculpted quartz base. Overhead, a halo of floating light orbits quietly, casting a soft radiance that never flickers or casts shadow. NNTHE kitchen is more laboratory than lounge. Countertops are matte obsidian glass, resistant to heat, fingerprints, and time, Cabinets are hidden, motorized panels that reveal only when summoned. Appliances blend into the surfaces, voice-controlled and AI-powered, adjusting temperature and function depending on who's using them. And at its center, a sculptural island with a flowing, wave-like silhouette, part art piece, part command center. NNTHE Master Suite is a retreat within a retreat. Its sleeping area faces an open glass wall with desert views, but can be instantly frosted for privacy at a whisper. A floating canopy above the bed reflects soft ambient lighting, mimicking sunrise and sunset cycles indoors. The ensuite bath is carved from a single slab of sand-hued marble, with a sunken tub framed by mirrored stone columns and a ceiling skylight that filters down glowing natural light. Water flows not from faucets, but from quiet channels hidden in the walls, cascading into the basin like a private waterfall. All rooms in the Mirage Solstice Pavilion are interconnected not just by hallways, but by mood. As you move, the lighting, scent, and ambient sounds change subtly. Desert wind, flowing water, soft tones designed to calm the mind. Even the flooring beneath your feet responds to